everybody, welcome back to MacCustoms. Today we're going to do a quick video on our heating system. We've had a couple emails and a couple comments asking us how our heating system works. So first off, it is a Kerr Highlander TW2000. These are made in Parsboro, Nova Scotia, so they're a local place. This is a wood boiler, it's called, so it's surrounded with the water there. Our system right now takes about 8 quarts to do us from, well, pretty much a year, because sometimes we will still have a fire in the summer if we need hot water, if there's no oil in the tank. It is a combination system as well, so it's wood and oil combined. So I'm going to have Rye go through the whole setup with you.
So basically this is a wood boiler, like a wood stove surrounded in water. These little boxes up here, they tell it what to do basically. This is the draft controller. When the house calls for heat, I'll pull that chain up and open up the draft. It's not calling for heat now, the chain's closed and it's not making too much more heat. And it works with their oil furnace. There's just one thermostat in the house, one zone for the house and one zone for the garage here. Garage we never turn on because it's always warm out here. These lines that run over to the house, and they go underground there and across the driveway. And then I got it insulated underground until where they come up under the house. Basically, as long as there's a fire going, the oil furnace would never turn on. And this pump here mixes the water between the two boilers, keeping the oil furnace hot all the time. And this pump here pumps the hot water through your radiators, depending on what zone. So right here is the main supply going to for power to the furnace. Goes into this shut-off box. So we had a hurricane a couple years ago, so I cut the wire here and added this plug. So I can simply disconnect the plug here, plug that into my generator, and it's not backfeeding the house or anything like that. It's going right to the furnace. It's got this big cast iron rad here. So when it gets too hot, it just sends some water to that rad, and it's called the dump zone, and that'll cool down the stove. That's an expansion tank up there. So as long as this stays above a certain temperature, the furnace will never kick in. But the furnace will kick in once this drops to a certain temperature and keep it warm till you get back to your fire.